Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have this. This is the EMEET GeniusCall HS20 headset. So we're going to give this thing a try. Very light in the box. I don't know. I mean, I guess it's more box than device. So we will see what it looks like when we open it up. Let me just see what it is. EMEET. I've gotten the EMEET speakerphone thingy. So yeah, I like the brand. I use this thing on the daily whenever I make a call because it's got like noise canceling and stuff. It's great. Okay, but this one here is the GeniusCall, so it's got the different settings there. It's a USB wired computer headphone, so it probably would be good for gaming and whatnot because it's wired. I know some people don't like those wireless ones because of the delay. But we're going to give this thing a try here. Let's see what's all in here. So that's everything in the box. So first off, we have the headset. So this is the headset. And nice squishy little pads there. You can see these pads here. I'll show you. Very squishy and look like they'd be super comfortable. And it's got a wire with a 3.5mm jack. It's got the 4 ones there, so it looks like it's going to be stereo and the microphone all in there. So that'll plug into my laptop here. My laptop has that kind of jack in it there. I have a MacBook Pro. And then this here also, this is probably to connect it up to the USB ports. Let's see. Yes. Oh yeah. Well, might need this for some of the other settings. So here's like the volume and mute, and what is that other one there? Mute your the headset and mute the speaker. And so that'll connect up to that to connect it up to USB. And then we've got the little microphone built into it here. So if I put this on, I'm gonna try this out here on my laptop and see how it sounds. Okay, so I have it plugged in now. So let's go to something here. Let's just go to my YouTube and let's see what I sound like. Wow, that sounds really good. Okay, so I can see, and actually my computer recognized it for the headset. But I'm going to go ahead and give this thing a try on the USB as well and see what it takes to connect up that. So let me see. I have my little USB converter somewhere here. So let's try to plug that one in, and then I can try to use the buttons as well. So this will connect up into there. This will connect into here. So it's kind of nice that it's versatile, that it gives you the option of USB or the other way. And let's see, did it recognize it? Let's see. Oh, there we go. So now, wow, that's pretty cool. So my Mac recognized it, and I don't know if you can see up here, it says EMEET GeniusCall HS20. So it recognized that right away. I've never used this thing before. So it says EMEET GeniusCall 20. So it recognized the headset. And if you look on here, you can see when I push the up and down buttons, the volume's working. That's going to mute my microphone, and that's going to mute the other one. But I see the voice, and there it's perfect sync. So I'm going to say this is pretty good, and it sounds really good. When I have the pads on, it totally cuts out all the outside sound. I don't think it's noise canceling, but I think just it makes a good solid seal. It makes a really good solid seal around my ear that I just can't hear anything else. So this is very cool. So I'm going to say this thing is awesome. This is the EMEET HS20, and in less than 4 minutes, I was able to unpack it, try it out with the 3.5mm jack, try it out with the USB one, and everything. So this gets up and going really quick. And I had no idea what I was doing. I didn't even look in the manual really, but let's just look for fun here and see. Yeah, it just has the inline control, all the different settings, kind of explains how to connect it up. It does want you to connect it up through the USB, I guess, because then you get all these options of this thing here. When I had it hooked up directly, you just didn't have those. But for me, I don't know. I usually use the controls on the computer anyway. So it'd be great when I'm like editing my videos and doing voiceovers. Sometimes I'll have the microphone right there to do it all. So very cool. Nice little device. So this is the EMEET GeniusCall HS20, and I'm going to be keeping this here and using it too. If you have gaming or something like that, I'd love to hear your responses on how well it works for that. But I'm going to guess it would work great because it works great for this. So thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.